Are you a lover of burger and you don't know how to go about it in a healthy way? Oh yeah, come over here. Let me show you how you can make it in a healthy way without being scared. Okay, welcome back to my channel. In a bowl here, you can see I've added my blended oats. Okay, I added the yeast. Okay, so once done, I'm going to add a little salt. When I mean little salt. Okay, give it a nice stir. If today is your first time coming across our channel, thank you so much. Please do to support us. Subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. To my returning subscribers, God bless you all. I really appreciate. So guys, at this point, I've started adding my water little by little. Okay, you have to be adding it little by little.
Bother yourself, my brother, whatever it might be, it's always a solution.
I'm not done adding the water, so I went ahead to add in my butter. Okay, the full list of ingredients will be dropped in the description box below. Feel free, grab yours and enjoy this amazing recipe. So I added in my egg and start adding in the water little by little and keep mixing until I've gotten my desired consistency. Okay, until the dough is well formed. Yeah, don't mind my voice, beautiful people. It has been a long time that I make this voiceover, right? It is well. At least let's do it once in a while. Okay, so I keep mixing. Now the dough is well formed. Yeah, without wasting much time, I started molding it. Yeah, you can mold to any shape or yeah, whichever way you like. Okay, I just want to give it this burger style. A water girl, this burger style. Oh, okay. Well, so that is what we are doing now. Yeah, this voiceover. It's good though. So I'm almost done. Yeah. So I covered it for at least 30 minutes and let it double in size. Yeah. It's going to double in size, but don't expect it to double like bread, okay? So that is it. So 30 minutes later. Yeah. Look at our amazing oats bread. So I topped it up with sesame seed. Okay, this is optional.
You know who to call, food where they wash and cook, enjoy yourself, follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother, whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with, I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you live, MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And there for put call we active.
Once I'm done, I place it in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, so next, in my clean pots frying pan, okay, I added little vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. The next thing, I went in with my burger minced meat. You can see very fresh. So I have to keep cooking and frying at the same time until the meat is properly done. Because I am not tanke on a chabalo balanime on a watago. So that is it, beautiful people. Let's keep cooking the meat until it is well done. I have to go back and check our bread, our oat bread in the oven because before one or I had to hook or walk. Look at the bread now. It is done. It is done. Look at it. Very crunchy. Okay, now tell you now the hey, you age this or way would I like? Oh, Chimo. My goodness. Can you see the goodness in this healthy oats bread? Yeah, that is it. Oge erukwana nụ ka anyị gaa cheke na anụ anyị na-eye. But guys, we are back to the burger. You can see, yeah, the meat is almost done. It's almost done. Please, I have to be pressing it to make sure that inside is what my voice over. Okay. I intentionally left this part so that you can hear and see yourself. This is the main reason why I stopped making voiceover. For those of you writing on my DM, okay, why don't you make voiceover? Why don't you make voiceover? So that is it. So beautiful people, you can see our burgering organic, okay. The burger bread is ready. Healthy burger bread without regrets is ready. So add in the minced meat, tomatoes, lettuce. Okay, so any topping of your choice, you can add any topping saying that you want. So that is it. As of this point, I did not divided the bread. So after topping it up, I was like, hey, okay, because you carry too much. What am I going to do now? So after I added mayo. Yeah, I added little mayo. What I go? So you can skip it, or you can skip the mayo as well. So the next one, I have to cut it into two to see how it's gonna be. So I tried it, and this one was perfect. It was perfect. So now I went ahead to, add all the necessary toppings in. Do you want me to come back to my old way of voiceover? If you do, please drop your comment. Please let me know in the comment section. MIRA'S is waiting for your comments.
But whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you stay, MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And the first put score we active.
At this point, we are done. Oh my, you guys should see now. Check out the burgering. And we are done, guys. This burger tasted so super delicious, yummilicious, crunchy, whichever way you like it. This is the best way to enjoy your healthy burger. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye. God bless you.